Hello health and fitness enthusiasts, and welcome to our channel, the ultimate destination for all things health, wellness, and fitness. Today we've got a treat for all you beginners out there. Are you tired of the hustle and bustle of the gym, or maybe just looking for a convenient way to stay fit without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving into the exciting world of home workouts for beginners. We're about to show you how to kickstart your fitness journey from the comfort of your own space. So, grab your yoga mats, resistance bands, and water bottles, because it's time to get moving. Now, if this is your first time here and you're as passionate about health and fitness as we are, be sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest content, and you'll become a valued member of our growing BodyBalanceBuzz family. But enough about that, let's dive into the world of home workouts for beginners. The benefits of home workouts. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. Why should you consider starting a home workout routine? Well, there are plenty of reasons, and we're about to uncover them. First off, convenience. With a home workout routine, you can say goodbye to commuting to the gym, waiting for equipment, or dealing with crowded locker rooms. Your home is your fitness haven, open 24/7. Secondly, multitasking. Imagine getting your daily dose of exercise while catching up on your favorite TV shows or listening to an inspiring audiobook. Home workouts allow you to be productive in more ways than one. And let's not forget about the peace and privacy factor. At home, you can exercise at your own pace without worrying about judgmental glances or feeling self-conscious. It's your safe space to grow physically and mentally. Lastly, family bonding. Home workouts can be a fantastic opportunity to involve your loved ones in your fitness journey. You can even turn it into a fun family activity. So there you have it, the benefits of starting a home workout routine. Now, let's dive into the how. How can you get started on this exciting journey? Setting up your home workout space. Creating the right workout environment at home is crucial. Let's break down the essentials. Step 1. Choose your space. Designate a specific area for your workouts. It could be your living room, bedroom, or even a corner of your backyard. Having a dedicated space helps you mentally commit to your routine. Step 2. Gather equipment. You don't need a gym's worth of equipment. Start with the basics, like a yoga mat, resistance bands, dumbbells, and a stability ball. These versatile tools can cover a wide range of exercises. Step 3. Create ambiance. Make your workout space inviting. Add some motivational posters, calming colors, or your favorite music playlist. This will encourage you to return to your workout area consistently. Step 4. Schedule your workouts. Plan your workouts just like any other appointment. Consistency is key to success. Whether it's every morning or evening, stick to your schedule. With your workout space ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Finding the right home workout program. Now that you have your space set up, it's time to choose a workout program that suits your goals and fitness level. Option 1. Online workout subscriptions. Many platforms offer a variety of workouts led by certified trainers. You can find programs ranging from yoga and Pilates to high-intensity interval training and dance workouts. Choose one that aligns with your interests. Option 2. Beginner-friendly YouTube channels. Platforms like YouTube are a goldmine for workout routines. Look for channels specifically tailored to beginners. These instructors often provide step-by-step guidance and modifications for different fitness levels. Option 3. Personalized plans. If you prefer a more tailored approach, consider consulting with a fitness coach or trainer who can create a personalized plan based on your goals and limitations. Remember, the key is to start at a level that matches your current fitness and gradually progress from there. Patience and consistency will be your best friends on this journey. Warm up and cool down. Before we jump into any workout, it's crucial to warm up and cool down properly to prevent injuries and aid recovery. Warm up. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing dynamic stretches or light cardio exercises like jumping jacks or jogging in place. This increases blood flow to your muscles, preparing them for action. Cool down. After your workout, dedicate another 5 to 10 minutes to static stretching. Focus on the muscles you've worked to enhance flexibility and reduce post-workout soreness. Now that you're all warmed up and ready, let's get moving. Building your home workout routine. Building your home workout routine is all about variety and consistency. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1. Choose your exercises. Start with a few fundamental exercises that target different muscle groups. Include exercises for strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular fitness. Step 2. Create a weekly plan. Plan your workouts for the week, ensuring you have a balanced routine that includes rest days. This prevents burnout and helps you stay committed. Step 3. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal or use fitness apps to monitor your performance. Tracking your progress will motivate you and allow you to set new goals. Step 4. Focus on form. Pay close attention to your form, especially if you're doing strength exercises. Proper form ensures effectiveness and minimizes the risk of injury. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a tailored home workout routine that suits your fitness goals. Nutrition and hydration. Exercise is just one piece of the puzzle. Proper nutrition and hydration are equally important for your fitness journey. Nutrition. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid excessive processed foods and sugary drinks. Hydration. Stay well hydrated throughout the day, especially before and after your workouts. Water plays a vital role in muscle function and recovery. Rest and recovery. Don't forget the importance of rest. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. By combining a well-rounded diet, hydration, and adequate rest with your home workouts, you'll optimize your results. Overcoming challenges. Now, let's address some common challenges beginners might face on their home workout journey. Challenge 1. Motivation. Staying motivated can be tough, especially when you're working out alone. Find a workout buddy or join online fitness communities for support and accountability. Challenge 2. Time constraints. Life can get busy. Break your workouts into shorter sessions throughout the day if needed. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Challenge 3. Soreness. Muscle soreness is normal, especially for beginners. Stretch, apply ice or heat as needed, and don't be discouraged. It's a sign of progress. Remember, every fitness journey has its ups and downs, but with dedication and perseverance, you can overcome these challenges. Well, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to start a home workout routine for beginners. We've covered everything from setting up your workout space to choosing the right exercises and staying motivated. The key takeaway here is that you have the power to transform your health and fitness, right in the comfort of your own home. So, take that first step today, and remember that consistency and patience are your allies on this journey. You've got this. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on fitness, nutrition, and wellness. Also, share your own home workout tips and success stories in the comments below. We love hearing from our Body Balance Buzz community. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and keep that balance buzzing in your life.